Beats Allah.
G.I. well, urisei well. Ndapota album rabuda inzwai well. It's not an ordinary album, my legacy. It's always online, Palma stores arena last scene. Legendary play, your first legacy. Cause up in the second leg, you will lose us. You won't regret, it sounds great. I'm the king, I'm the future, stop the hating. You feeling the pressure, wait a depression. Ushaya plan, wait a coup addressing the nation. I'm on a mission, I got the vision. I'm 22, still young to address the nation. The pot I mixture, I use experiment. Panama fixtures, are it different? Monachi King, please tell the first one. Head is dropping this November 21st. Why? Is it because you were born on this day night? Is it because the king resigned on the 21st November? That's the first rapper list yangu. Remember the day 20 I'm gone 21st in November 20 what 2020 ndiri ndega. I give thanks ko batereri muchanzo meko. It was made munechisha mubunzu yako yakawandisa uchanzo wegesha. Purchase my tracks ndokumbira usha ndokuimbira usha ukasatinga it's cool ipawo bangwisha. Second track featuring Wingy Disha. That's the one I can tell Panema Mwisha. Uchanzo about this the one we are waiting for. Uchanzo about these are lies what you hating for. What's the metaphor? What is a metaphor? Uchanzo pacha Buddha song sha. What's the question for? And this by interview, it's an intro for the Potter album. Let's go.